here an iframe inline frame is a HTML and element used to embed another web page or document within the current page. Okay. So it will use only in the current page as well, and it is have some controllers for that using and playing all the things. And just I'm showing you now only that uh, how to use image in that format. Okay. So already we have created one folder on a desktop and open the text corresponding folder and go to your HTML folder. This is called nested folder. So here you can take and type here the CMD. So here you can type the command that will be the code space dot enter. So this particular folder has to be open in your Visual Studio Code. So now what the topic we are starting today, and we are starting today iframes.html. So here you can create one file, and we have the two types of extension, that is saving html.htm or .html. Okay, so here you can type iframes.html, enter. So here you can take exclamatory enter. So this is a bytecode, means the structure of HTML has to be printed in your uh, system. And here you can, this is the, we have how many types of HTMLs? We have the two types of HTMLs, that is external HTML and internal HTML. What the title session I'm going to fill in here, that will be printed in outside of the HTML. And here I'm giving the name, that will be the iframe. So this will be printed the outside of the HTML in the browser. So here I'm going statically giving here h1 how many tags we have. So the tags already you know guys, that will be the h1 to h6. Okay, so here I'm printing like this, and already you know how to execute this. Go to your extensions here, and here you can type, that will be the open in browser, that this will be, so you can download this one as well. And after downloaded you can click on your notepad, sorry, keypad, and here you can see this one open in your default browser. So you can click on this default browser, so it is redirecting to the all browser. So what I have given in the title session, I have given in the iframe, so it will be printed outside of the HTML. And I have written the hi in the body, that will be the internal HTML, so it will be printed like this. So this is all about the basic thing, what I've told you now. And here you need to write the iframes. So here I'm using the div tag. Okay. So this div tag means what is that? The div tag, it is nothing but a container. ID means what here? The ID will be the attribute. So ID will be the unique thing. So I'm using here for uh, header header part, and here I'm taking the name it as header path ID, and here session will be the header session. I'm using the I'm using instead of the div part head session, and here I'm using again instead of the in div, that will be the nested div, we call it as. So here ID, and here the content. Okay, so here p tag. So here I'm using just mm, code what in the paragraph format I'm using. What is the p tag? P tag will be the uh, paragraph tag, and here I'm using one static text. Okay, so here I'm using iframe tag, and here src I'm using. Here uh, already we have one image tag, that one only I'm using. You can use here YouTube link, any links as well here. So here I'm giving the title one. The title will be the attribute. What is attribute? Attribute means it will provide the additional information. Okay, additional information it will be provided, and um, as well we have the attribute name as well after. So left side will be the attribute and right side will be the attribute name. It will be separated by is equal to symbol. Okay, so here embedded with I'm using, so width I need to control. So this will be the bootstrap class I'm using here. I'm taking as a default size, that will be the 600, and height also I'm taking for fitting that. So that will be the 300. So here I'm going to close it. Ending tag. Already you know how to take a photo session. So the photo session means what? The photo session will be the down of the HTML page. What is the header session? That will be the top of the HTML page, right? Taking like this, like this. Okay? We'll see how it will be printed. So see, like this it will be printed. So this is called how I frame, how to add this all the things, right? So this will be the iframe. So you can use in the session, you can use that YouTube links and all the things also you can use inside of this. Using the clear, right, everyone? So this is the footer session, and this will be the paragraph what we have added, and the header session. Okay, so you can use CSS using ID one. So ID means what? ID will be the primary thing, and ID will be the unique. Okay, we don't want to